Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting fast, open Docs. Google, calm and pick a template or a blank document so you don't waste time building basics. Title the file, then set page setup, paper size, margins, and choose a default font and size to keep things consistent across collaborators. Once done, enable offline access so you can work without internet, move the file into the correct Drive folder for project organization, and adjust sharing defaults to viewer or editor to control initial permissions. Next, structure the content. Apply heading styles and open the outline view so you can jump between sections and produce a clean table of contents. While you edit, switch to suggesting mode for track changes and use comments to discuss specifics. Assign comments to coworkers to create actionable tasks. Make use of version history to restore prior drafts, insert tables, images, and footnotes for clarity, and install add-ons for citations. Advanced templates, or automation when the built-in tools fall short. Wrap up by running find/replace for consistency, performing an accessibility check, and creating a final version snapshot so you can always recover this milestone. Export the document to PDF or Word depending on delivery, confirm print settings, and verify share settings and download permissions before distribution. If collaborators report access issues, try the key troubleshooting step. Sign out, clear browser cache, then sign back in. If that fails, reapply the share link or change permission levels to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.